Operation Lightspeed conclusion. Self-driving cars, engineered at Google, and faces declared ethically standard now, and robotic eyes from objects who date online and get married to their neighbor in a house with rooms for addiction, recovering, stimulation, searching, algorithms, and surveillance cameras with 15 screens, 3 million eyes, and no more gender. Now, Black Lives Matter and Antifa say in their propaganda, will lift a pride flag and replace a Statue of Liberty in Washington Monument to have legal drugs, no jobs required for free money, free services, free food, free coffee, and conversation. Now, rewards. For a planet floating in outer space with people observing behavior and listening to a recording for Shriners Hospital in St. Jude's for children and kids and babies and young folks who don't want to stare at a light. Lift a pipe for energy and swallow a drug, chemical substance for psychedelic infinity. And until dead, bones and skulls and skinny, weak, dog skeletons land on their concrete, they make to dominate those who have to respect their silence and quiet and not have a bad dream or nightmare about what a United States Marine Corps veteran said about a lady wearing a burqa who stood over her daughter and blew up a city block to make everyone look down and stare and wait for an answer from their Satan now. Their Norse tank top and bra. They stuff their fat and their freckle to have a social society with systems and processes and all of the technology they'll ever need to defeat a planet on fire, a Nobel Prize recipient described when she said to the woman who doesn't let a person talk on the phone now to have her cup touch a table when her buddy scratches my door and knocks to inquire about my theoretical involvement in distraction within E equals MC squared, and a book they wrote about thermodynamics. And then set on fire to erase the author who made the Asian, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Thai, and Buddhist practitioner give up mountains and yaks, butter and tea for black shirts, skulls, fake camouflage, gangsters and thugs, pot smoking, marijuana loving, crack, meth, fentanyl, heroin, economic participants now, who steal from the grocery store and break windows in public to have their nights quiet and mornings full of glory and sunflowers and rainbows with unicorns floating in a polluted lake they dump their bodies in now, chopped into pieces and stuffed into suitcases to bury instead of smoke in their lungs and bothering their senses and ability to go faster than light speed and an operation to not be homeless, to not have to be brainwashed or stared at by the woman's male, gender neutral visual evidence and information about the computer and laptop. They stopped supporting when they broke down a door and kicked a wood rectangle for pleasure and satisfaction. Now,